Okay, a short video. So if you've got a fireplace in your RV, make sure you're not going to have a real fire in your RV. So these things do require cleaning once in a while. And fortunately it's only 4 screws, one in each corner, to take it out. And take a look what I found behind mine. These are the dust bunnies. Eventually that dust will build up and you could actually have a fire. So what you need to do is you can just take the screws off and this top will come up and you can get to the blower mechanism and also to the heating element. Get a can of air, a vacuum. Be careful, especially if you leave it plugged in, even though it's not on. There still could be live electricity there, so either shut it down, unplug it, whatever you need to do. But definitely take a look at this. See you on the next.